Hey guys, welcome back to Hrvati Zajedno. We're in midway through the show, just before the world premiere of this great mashup. So I'm going to turn the camera around and put it to some of the other lovely people in the room because they don't want to say mug all the time. So turning it around.
No.
You're sick. How you going?
Good.
Good. You doing the one word answers again?
Or someone has to be. Someone's got to be the quiet one.
Yeah, right.
Man of few words.
Man of two words.
Okay. We've got Amanda and Liliana sitting over there saying hello. Sorry, Angela.
Hold on a minute. Is there something we don't know about you?
No, she isn't meant to hug and kiss, so that's why I'm over here.
No.
Oh, Simpsons reference.
Exactly.
Trying to cover something up, eh?
No, not at all. Just having a laugh like
I'm
always.
surprised you didn't say someone else's name at the altar.
Hey, I'm not
Like
Ross.
Ross.
I'm not Ross, alright?
I take thee, Rachel.
On
a break.
CSF Australia has joined in. DJ Ivek has joined in. The legendary DJ Ivek. Hello. Who else is coming in saying hello to us? Everyone? A few people?
We're about to start it off.
In 17 seconds,
Yep.
15, 14.
So get ready for world premiere exclusive DJKT Lukey. Big it up. Now, here is DJ Croatian with the intro.
Alright guys, enjoy, listen and have fun. We'll talk to you later.
It's DJKT Croatian Turkish.